Ever feel like payday sneaks up on you faster than a Harmattan dust devil? You're juggling invoices, chasing payments, and the thought of manually processing payroll makes your head spin, right? Especially when you're trying to keep your team happy and those funds flowing smoothly into their accounts. Let's be honest, payroll can feel like navigating a maze, especially when you're a small business owner wearing multiple hats. You're the CEO, the marketing guru, and sometimes, unfortunately, the reluctant payroll clerk. The traditional method of printing checks, stuffing envelopes, and then making sure everyone gets paid on time can eat up valuable hours you could be spending growing your business, innovating, or maybe even catching a much-needed umla break. But what if there was a way to streamline this entire process, to banish those payday anxieties and reclaim those precious hours? Well, there is. And it involves the magic of direct deposit payroll right within your QuickBooks. Now, before you think this is some complicated tech wizardry reserved for large corporations, let me assure you, it's not. QuickBooks makes setting up and running direct deposit surprisingly straightforward. Think of it as upgrading from manually tilling your farm to using a modern tractor. Same goal, vastly improved efficiency and way less backache. So, are you ready to ditch the paper checks and embrace a faster, more secure, and frankly, more modern way to pay your team? If your answer is a resounding yes, then you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the step-by-step process of how to process direct deposit payroll in QuickBooks. Get ready to transform your payday routine from a source of stress to a seamless, efficient operation. First things first, before we can even think about hitting that process payroll button, we need to make sure you have a QuickBooks payroll subscription that supports direct deposit. There are different tiers of QuickBooks payroll, so it's crucial to ensure yours includes this feature. If you're unsure, a quick check within your QuickBooks account settings or a visit to the QuickBooks website will clarify this for you. Think of it as making sure you have the right tools in your toolbox before starting a project. Once you've confirmed your subscription supports direct deposit, the next crucial step is setting up your employee profiles with their direct deposit information. This includes their bank name, account number, and routing number. It's absolutely vital to get this information correct to avoid any payment delays or, worse, funds ending up in the wrong account. Treat this step with the utmost care. Double-checking and even triple-checking the details with your employees is highly recommended. Think of it like entering a crucial GPS coordinate. One wrong digit, and you'll end up miles away from your destination. QuickBooks provides a secure way for you to either manually enter this information or invite your employees to enter it themselves through a secure portal, which can save you a significant amount of data entry time. With your employees' direct deposit information securely entered, you're now ready to actually process the payroll. This is where the magic truly happens. Within QuickBooks, you'll navigate to the payroll section, where you'll typically see an option like Run Payroll or Process Payroll. Click on this and QuickBooks will guide you through the steps. You'll first select the pay period and the pay date. Make sure these are accurate. Then you'll review the hours worked for each employee. If you're using QuickBooks Time or another time tracking system integrated with QuickBooks, this information will likely populate automatically, saving you even more time and reducing the risk of manual errors. Take a moment to verify these hours to ensure accuracy. Next comes the crucial part, reviewing the wages, deductions, and taxes for each employee. QuickBooks will calculate these based on the information you've already entered for each employee, such as their pay rate, tax withholdings, and any deductions for things like pension contributions or health insurance. This is your opportunity to catch any discrepancies before payments are sent. Scrutinize these figures. It's always better to double-check now than to deal with payroll errors later. QuickBooks provides clear breakdowns of each employee's pay, making it easier to review these details. Once you're confident that everything looks correct, you'll typically see an option to Approve Payroll or Submit Payroll. Before you click this button, take a deep breath and give everything one final review. Remember, once you approve, the process of sending those direct deposit payments begins. After you've approved the payroll, QuickBooks will process the direct deposit transactions. The funds will then be securely transferred from your business bank account to your employees' bank accounts. The processing time can vary slightly depending on your bank and QuickBooks payroll plan, but generally, it takes a few business days for the funds to appear in your employees' accounts. QuickBooks will usually provide you with a confirmation of when the payments are expected to be deposited. One of the significant advantages of using QuickBooks for direct deposit is the automatic record keeping. QuickBooks keeps a detailed record of all your payroll transactions, making it easy to track payments, generate payroll reports, and prepare for tax filings. No more sifting through piles of paper checks or manually updating spreadsheets. This digital trail is a lifesaver come tax season. Furthermore, QuickBooks often allows you to email pay stubs to your employees automatically once payroll is processed. This not only saves you the time and cost of printing and distributing physical pay stubs, but also provides your employees with immediate access to their pay information. It's a win-win for efficiency and employee satisfaction. So, there you have it, a comprehensive walkthrough of how to process direct deposit payroll in QuickBooks. From ensuring you have the right subscription and accurately setting up employee information to reviewing and approving payroll, and finally, the secure transfer of funds and automatic record keeping. It's a process designed to streamline your payday, reduce errors, and free up your valuable time. By embracing direct deposit through QuickBooks, you're not just adopting a more efficient way to pay your employees. You're also investing in the smooth operation of your business and the peace of mind that comes with knowing your team is paid accurately and on time, every time. It's a step towards a more organized, professional, and stress-free way of managing your business finances. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.